They cost hundreds of dollars. They're one of Apple's most successful products. And yet, they have one feature that drives millions of users crazy every single day. You drop them. They launch across the room like little missiles. Why do AirPods behave like this? Why hasn't Apple fixed it? And how can you stop your AirPods from flying into oblivion? Stick around, because you've probably experienced this problem yourself. You open the case, you grab one AirPod, you slip, and just like that, it's skidding across your desk, bouncing off the floor, hiding under your car seat, or vanishing into the most impossible corner of your house. It's a universal AirPods frustration that almost every user experiences sooner or later. Let's break it down. AirPods rely on strong internal magnets to snap into place inside the case. These magnets keep the buds firmly secured during travel, in your pocket, in your bag, in your hand. But that same magnet tension creates a spring effect. When you pull an AirPod at the wrong angle or with too much force, the sudden release of tension sends the bud flying like a tiny catapult. So why not design it differently? The truth is, trade-offs. Apple prioritized a slim, sleek case that easily fits into your pocket. Strong magnets were essential to prevent accidental falls while carrying the case. If the magnets were weaker, you'd risk losing your AirPods just by tipping the case slightly. So in a way, the launching problem is the lesser evil. Ask any AirPods user. You'll hear stories like, "It flew under my desk, took me 30 minutes to find it. Dropped it at the airport, never saw it again. It bounced off the car door, straight into the drainage." What starts as a minor slip becomes a frustrating scavenger hunt. Some users have even lost their AirPods permanently due to one simple drop. Interestingly, not all wireless earbuds behave this way. Some brands use deeper seated housings, rubber grips, softer magnetic retention, textured surfaces for better grip. But Apple sticks to minimalism, smooth surfaces, shallow placement, strong magnets. The result? A more premium feel, but also more flying AirPods. The issue becomes worse because of a few extra factors. The AirPods' tiny size, their super smooth plastic, the curved case edge design, the snap-shut lid that makes you fumble, the tight, precise fit inside the case. Altogether, a perfect formula for accidental launches. It's not just design, it's us. We open the case one-handed while walking. We remove them while distracted. We're often multitasking: phone, coffee, backpack, keys. Our human behavior combined with Apple's design makes AirPods some of the most drop-prone tech on the market. Could Apple fix it in future generations? Yes, but there are trade-offs. Adding rubber inserts may help grip, but add bulk. Changing magnet strength risks accidental falls inside bags. Deeper-seated buds may slow quick removal. Apple's design priority: simplicity, slimness, elegance. So for now, the problem remains. While Apple may not change the design soon, you can reduce the frustration today. Always place the case on a flat surface when opening. Open the lid gently. Avoid sudden flips. Use your thumb and index finger to lift vertically. Consider silicone grip covers for better handling. Use AirPod straps if you're prone to losing them while walking. Accessories that reduce launch risk: silicone skin cases for the charging case, AirPods leash straps for workouts, foam ear tips for better in-ear retention, magnetic locking third-party cases. Anti-slip AirPods grips available online. Small investments can save you from big headaches. For all their brilliance, AirPods still have one of the most annoying quirks in modern tech design. But now you know why it happens and how to fix it. Have you lost your AirPod in a ridiculous place? Drop your craziest story in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple breakdowns of everyday tech problems. Thanks for watching, and may your AirPods stay firmly in place.